Hello there, YouTubers. Well, here we are making some quick outdoor recordings on the Philips model VKR6800 color tube type VHS camcorder from around 1984. Of course, I don't have any battery packs for this camcorder, so we have to be near a power outlet, so that's why I can't show you too much of a nature. You can see the trees right there. Guess that needs to be refocused. Okay, that's better. Have some yellow flowers behind there in the neighbor's garden. And another flower right there. By the way, I'm always using the manual zoom control. The motor zoom on this camcorder is very, very slow. We have some plants up on that shed. There was a big rose growing on that shed, but for some reason that died, I guess a couple of years ago, and it's now just hanging there, remains of that. So, I guess that's it. I know there's not too much in the way of colors at the moment. May be able to make a better video someday soon. But yeah, that's it. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Here we are, back where we started from.